Hi everyone, Radhe Radhe. In this video, we're going to be doing chapter 12, verse 13. 13 and 14 are also merged and they cannot really be separated. So I'm going to sing. We're going to sing 13 right now, and then I'll do the explanations in the video of 14 because when I'll read the translation of both things. That's because I want to do one video per verse. So that's why I'll just hack it a little bit. Okay, so let's sing the prayer and then let's sing the verse. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. My dear Radha and Krishna, thank you so much for giving us this verse. This verse is also helping us really get closer to you. Please let us absorb it in as much depth as we can so that it can help us. Your words, your beautiful words can help us get closer to you, and thank you so much for giving us access to this. And Amrendra Prabhu came yesterday. I mean, he's been in Seattle and he gave a lecture yesterday that was again out of this world amazing. Thank you so much for all of the Amrit, all of the nectar that you're showering upon us. Thank you, and please help us help use these words or however bring us closer to you. Please help us attain love for you. Okay, so let's sing this verse. अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखः क्षमी. So, one who is not envious but is a kind friend to all living entities. Sarva Bhutanam. Adveshta is Dvesh is envy. So, Advesh is non-envy towards all living entities. Maitra, friendly. Karuna, kind, compassionate. Nirmama, no sense of proprietorship, ownership. Nirankara, without false ego. Sama, equal in distress and happiness and forgiving. So, all of this, one who is not envious but is kind friend to all living beings, who does not think of himself as a proprietor and is free from all ego, who is equal in both happiness is in distress. Forgiving maybe is tolerant. Yeah. So this is the first part, and I'll read the second part also. Always satisfied, self-controlled, engaged in devotional service with determination, his mind and intelligence fixed on me, such a devotee of mine is very dear to me. And we can bring ourselves to this. That's the thing. It is not, it may feel like it's absolutely impossible, absolutely so far away for us to do that, but it is not. All we need to do, and I'm going to say this like with a with a lot of this thing, all we need to do is think about God all the time. Yeah, but it's possible if we have the hunger and the desire to do that. Is just to start, and it may take a few years. That's okay. I mean, I've been in this thought switching process for 7 years and I'm nowhere close to it, but I can feel that it's there. Like I am at a place where I can feel that it's possible, at least, right? So you just keep practicing relentlessly, and every time you feel envy, just pray, God, please remove this envy from my heart. Every time you feel anger, just pray, God, please remove this anartha. Please remove all anarthas from my heart so that I can serve you and everybody and other people as well. So I can serve you and people that you love, other souls that you love. And you just say that every time you feel anything negative, you just pray. Every time you feel, you just do it. And you will start to feel this. You will start to actually feel that there is a possibility, that there is a light, the tunnel is ending, right? You'll start to feel that. So just keep praying relentlessly, keep praying. Krishna, please help me remove all of these anarthas that I have. Krishna, please help me remove. Every time you feel anything negative, Krishna, every time you feel resentment, pray. Every time you feel anger, pray. Every time you feel envy, pray. Every time you feel ego, pray. Every time you feel like my ego is flaring up, pray. Not because the ego is not good. The ego is helpful. We need to set boundaries, but understand the difference between the discernment and the judgment. I've spoken it about in many videos. I'm not going to speak about it right now, but understand that there is a difference. You can understand the situation without getting angry about it. You can understand the situation and set boundaries from a place of calm without getting angry about it, without getting resentful or all of those other things. And it's okay. Don't beat yourself up if you do feel negative about any of those things. Don't beat yourself up. But what he's saying, okay, what Bhagavan Shri Krishna is saying here right now is one who's not envious. Every time we feel envy, we pray. That's okay. Kind friend to all living entities. Every time we feel unkind, we pray. One who does not think of himself as a proprietor. Every time I start to think that I want this for myself, pray. Free from false ego. Every time I see my ego come up, pray. Who's equal in both happiness and distress. Every time I feel sad, pray. Then the happiness probably will automatically come. One who is forgiving, kshami, pray. Like if I'm not forgiving, pray. That's it. And then the rest I'll talk about in the next video. All of these things, just pray. Okay. Oh, I didn't share the screen. Oh, okay. That's fine. I'll share the screen because it's a merged thing. I keep forgetting to do this. It's a new tool, but I'll share the screen in the next video. Wish you a day filled with lots and lots and lots and lots of Krishna's grace. Radhe Radhe.